Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In the maintenance workshop, using the right ceiling light box can not only improve work efficiency, but also ensure operation safety. Today, Gonengo will introduce you this ceiling light box, and we will show you why it is the best choice for maintenance workshop lighting from three aspects: practicality, economy, and safety. As we know, the interior space of a workshop is relatively large and there are many passages, so it is necessary to configure the passages with strong indicative lighting. The Gonengo ceiling light box is designed with arrows, making it easy for vehicles to travel quickly to their intended location, and can meet the light needs of maintenance workshops. From the light effect, this product adopts PC high transmittance mask by powder coating process, irradiation without shadow, no glare. And the light source irradiation surface up to 120 degrees, light area light uniformity, translucent and soft, not only to ensure that the light covers every corner of the space, but also to avoid visual fatigue of maintenance masters' work, effectively improve work efficiency and accuracy. In terms of shape design, the ceiling light box has a rectangular structure, stylish and simple atmosphere, and adopts the bridge assembly and fixing design, which is easy to install, firm and durable. In addition, high energy efficiency is also an important reflection of the high affordability of this high-energy product. This ceiling light box uses advanced LED technology with the advantages of high quality and efficient conversion, low energy efficiency and long service life. In order to save the space-occupied area, Gonengo ceiling light box adopts a non-cap design and makes the light into a 2.4 by 4.8 rectangular box, which makes it easier to clean and maintain the car while saving space. However, the workshop environment is often accompanied by unfavorable factors such as moisture, dust, and oil, which may adversely affect the performance of the lighting equipment. Gonengo ceiling light box adopts a triple protection design. First, the internal wiring of the light body is embedded structure design, strong ceiling. Second, the use of less than 36 volts of safe voltage, high safety. Thirdly, it is waterproof, dust-proofing and oil-proof, with strong durability. Therefore, customers can be assured of long-term use. This Gonengo ceiling light box is superior to similar products on the market in terms of practicality, economy and safety, and has the value of improving the efficiency of the mechanic's work, saving operating costs for the store, and high safety of use, which is undoubtedly the best choice for the repair shop. Thank you for watching. If you need more information, please visit our website and subscribe to our channel. Gonengo Lighting is committed to providing you with the best lighting solutions. See you next time.